Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Station, where every word is more than language. It's a doorway to growth, to strength, and to the hidden power within you. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why you keep repeating the same mistakes? Why certain fears follow you, even when you try to escape them? Or why success feels natural to some people, while for others, it feels impossible? The answer lies in a hidden world inside you, a world more powerful than your conscious thoughts, more influential than your daily choices. It is the silent force that shapes your habits, your beliefs, your emotions, and even your destiny. This force is called the subconscious mind. Today, we're going to step into that hidden world. We're going to explore the science, the psychology, and the mystery of the subconscious. And once you understand it, your life will never be the same again. So sit back, relax, grab a notebook if you'd like, and get ready for a deep, motivational, and educational journey. The subconscious mind is like a quiet river flowing beneath the surface of your life. You don't see it, you don't hear it, but it shapes the land. It carves valleys. It directs where the water goes. And just like that river, your subconscious mind has been shaping your destiny from the moment you were born. This is not just philosophy. This is psychology. This is science. This is your life. So listen closely, because once you understand the subconscious mind, you will never see yourself the same way again. Part 1. What is the subconscious mind? Scientists estimate that around 95% of your daily life is controlled by your subconscious mind. Think about that. Only 5% of your decisions are made consciously. The rest, they come from programs, habits, beliefs, and memories stored deep beneath awareness. When you walk, you don't think about every muscle. When you drive, you don't think about every motion. When you speak, you don't plan every word. The subconscious runs the background of your life. It's fast, it's automatic, it's efficient. But here's the problem. It doesn't judge. It doesn't ask, is this belief true? Is this habit good? It simply obeys. The subconscious is like fertile soil. Whatever seed you plant, fear or faith, doubt or confidence, anger or peace, it will grow. Part 2, the science of the subconscious. Neuroscience tells us that the subconscious mind lives in the networks of the brain that process memory, emotion, and automatic behavior. It's why psychologists call it the automatic mind. The subconscious is built on repetition. Every thought you think often enough, every action you repeat long enough, becomes encoded as a program. Like grooves on a record, your brain carves deep pathways of habit, and once a habit is carved, your subconscious will play it again and again. Think of tying your shoes. The first time it was hard. You had to think about every step. Now, your subconscious does it instantly. The same happens with beliefs. If as a child you heard you're not good enough again and again, your subconscious took it as truth. If you were told you can achieve anything, your subconscious recorded that too. This is the science of conditioning. The subconscious doesn't filter truth from lies. It doesn't ask if the voice was right or wrong. It simply absorbs. Part 3. How the subconscious shapes daily life. Your subconscious mind decides what you notice and what you ignore. Have you ever wanted to buy a new car and suddenly you see that exact car everywhere? That's your subconscious filtering reality. It shows you what matches your beliefs and desires. Your subconscious also shapes your emotional reactions. Why does one person panic in public speaking while another feels alive? Why does one person see failure as proof they're worthless while another sees failure as fuel? The difference lies in subconscious programming. Your subconscious decides how you interpret the world. It is like a lens over your eyes. If the lens is colored with fear, everything looks dangerous. If it's colored with hope, everything looks possible. And here is the truth. You are not living life as it is. You are living life as your subconscious believes it to be. Part 4. The hidden programming. Most of your subconscious programming was written in the first 7 years of life. In those years, your brain lived mostly in theta brainwaves, the same brainwaves we enter in hypnosis. Children absorb everything. They do not analyze, they do not question, they download. So when you were told stories about money, about love, about yourself, your subconscious wrote them down. And those beliefs are still running your life today, even if you don't remember where they came from. This is why so many adults struggle with self-worth, fear, or scarcity. They are not fighting reality. They are fighting the invisible programs written in childhood. But here is the good news. A program can be rewritten. A belief can be replaced. A subconscious mind can be retrained. Part 5. Reprogramming the subconscious mind. How do you do it? Science and psychology point to several powerful methods. 1. Repetition and habits. Every habit rewires the brain. Do something consistently, and your subconscious accepts it as normal. This is why affirmations and daily rituals matter. Not because the words are magic, but because repetition builds new grooves in the brain. 2. Visualization. Studies show that the brain responds to vivid imagination almost the same way it does to real experience. Athletes use visualization to train. You can too. Imagine success, feel it, live it in your mind, and your subconscious begins to accept it as possible. 3. Emotional intensity. The subconscious records what is tied to strong emotion. That's why childhood memories are so powerful. If you connect new habits with strong positive emotion, gratitude, excitement, joy, your subconscious learns faster. 4. Mindfulness and meditation. When you slow down and observe your thoughts, you begin to see the subconscious at work. You can catch the automatic reactions, the negative self-talk, and choose a new response. 5. Environment. The people around you, the words you hear, the media you consume, all feed the subconscious. If you change your environment, you change your programming. Part 6. The power of awareness. The greatest power you have is awareness. The moment you notice your subconscious patterns, you begin to rise above them. Awareness brings choice, and choice rewrites destiny. When anger rises, awareness lets you pause. When fear whispers, awareness lets you question. When doubt returns, awareness reminds you, this is just a program, and I can choose a new one. You are not your past. You are not your programming. You are the one who can step into the subconscious and plant new seeds. So here is your challenge. Watch your subconscious this week. Notice your automatic reactions. Notice the beliefs that rise when you face challenge. Notice the voice that speaks when you dream of something big. Ask yourself, where did this voice come from? Is it mine? Or is it an old program I don't need anymore? Then plant something new. Each day, feed your subconscious with one new thought of strength, one new belief of possibility, one new habit of discipline, because your subconscious will grow whatever you plant. And the sooner you take control, the sooner your life bends toward your true vision. Thank you for spending this time with us here on English Station, where learning English is just the beginning and building stronger minds is the journey. If today's message opened your eyes, share your thoughts below. Tell us one belief you are ready to change, one old program you're ready to let go of. Your story might give courage to someone else. And if you want more lessons like this, lessons that shape not just your words but your future, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a moment of growth. Until next time, stay aware, stay focused, and keep planting seeds of greatness in your subconscious mind.